Good morning, students. Today, let us proceed our chapter Sound, and we will discuss today our topic Speed of Sound. Sound travels in some speed, and you know that sound needs medium to travel. And medium is a matter through which sound energy transferred from one place to another place. So here, what is the speed of sound in different media and why this speed changes? So say this. First of all, I hope student you are understanding what is the meaning of speed. Speed is the distance traveled by the body per unit time. What happens when sound travels in solid? When sound travels in solid, thus its speed is maximum. Why its speed is maximum? Means it travels more faster comparison to other medium. So see here, you have studied the structure of solid. In structure of solid, we know that the molecular interaction between it, that is intermolecular force of attraction, is maximum. As intermolecular force of attraction is maximum, the molecules are very closely packed, and so when you will beat this with tuning fork, when you will beat it with tuning fork, this fork starts vibrating, and that vibration is superimposed on this molecule, and again it has got a very nearest another molecule, so it travels from one molecule to another to another to another to another like this, and it's move fastly. So speed of sound increases in solid and even maximum in solid. Simply, very simple example, if you take a steel, you will find that its speed is almost 5000 meter per second. So, when we are standing in a railway station and train is coming from very far away, whatever the whistle we are listening, then we can understand, or by listening the announcement we can understand that yes, train is coming. But if you will put your ear, suppose this is a railway track, railway line, and your ear on this railway line, if the train is very far away from us, we are not listening the whistle even, we can understand that train is coming, because that vibration is coming in the solid that is very fast. Again you come for liquid. If we compare speed of sound in solid, then in liquid it is less than from solid. So why speed of sound is less in liquid? How the sound is moving or traveling in a liquid? So see here. Liquid, you know that molecules are not closely packed. It's a little bit difference between the molecules. So intermolecular force of attraction is less in liquid comparison to solid. So as intermolecular force of attraction is less, so molecules are sparsely distributed. So when you will take this tuning fork is a device which is used in lab to produce sound. So you take a tuning fork and strike the tuning fork on this. So here, as you strike the tuning fork on this, then the vibration is produced. That vibration is superimposed on this liquid molecule, and then as it has applied force, then this molecule either it will travel to this one or travel to here or travel to here and transfer the vibration. Then again it will go. So when molecules are traveling from one to another, to transfer this, it takes some time, and during like this, the speed decreases in liquid. For a very simple example, example, if you take a water, in water almost it is 1500 meter per second. Let's see the next one, that is gas. In gas, you know that molecules are very sparsely distributed here and there, very far away from each other. So what happens when you will strike it with tuning fork? The vibration is superimposed on these molecules, and as it's superimposed, it apply force, it will travel to this one, or it will travel to this one, or it will travel to this one, and then only the energy is transferred to another molecule. Like this, the energy is transferred from one molecule to another molecule, and sound travels in gas. So if you take a dry air, most probably it is 332 meter per second. So like this, the speed of sound decreases when we comes in air. Now I hope you have understood. So speed of sound is maximum in solid, then in liquid, and then in gases. So it is minimum in gases when you will compare, and in between maximum and minimum it is middle, that is for liquid. So students, up to here you write down the activity. Okay.